Spelling colorful, COLOURFUL. Beautiful, BEAUTIFUL. Pretty, PRETTY. Smiley face, SMILEY Wonderful, WONDERFUL. Washed, WATCHED. Dropped, DROPPED. Revision, REVISION. Spellings, SPELLINGS. Carefree, CAREFREE. Flew away, FLEWAWAY. Ponds, PONDS. Leaf, LEAF. Drink water, DRINKWATER. Lucky, LUCKY. Stuck, STUCK. Broken chimney, BROKENCHIMNEY. Broken chimney. Often, OFTEN. Ended up, ENDEDUP. Up. Travel, TROUBLE. Where the ant fall in. The ant fall into the river. Why the ant was shouted? The ant was shouted because he was fall into the river, so he was shouted for help. Who was help to the ant? The dove was help to the ant. How do the dove? The dove was dropped to the big leaf, and the ant was climbed on the leaf. Thus the dove was helped to the ant. Who was aiming to the dove? The hunter was aiming to the dove. Conversations, how are you? I am well. Why are you not called to me? I was called to you, but I have not any response, but I have a plan that I should be meeting and seeing with you. Hi doctors, may I come in? Yes, come here and take your seat. What is your problems? Have you sufferings? I have been suffering for the phases and fever. How many times have you sufferings? I have been suffering for the 5 days. Have you taken any medicines? Yes, I have the medicine, but I have not relief.